there for that. This is the dangerous part. Here. Now you see for yourself. What it look like and the danger zone. Yeah, this is how we go through every day. Every day we do this. So this is a living and the danger zone. Come on, when a man see me a drink rum and I spend my money, a man don't feel like say it come easy. You see it down there? See the bridge? How small it is at the end of the bridge. That's the way down. All the way down to Miami Bay. This is the danger zone here. Want to look on it good. All over there send them to chat up them out and I go on like them a chuck there. I want to see that video here when I post it. This is the battlefield this. Yeah. All the way down to Miami Hill. No, there's no stone, no rest spot. All the way down. This is what it look like. The 4th speed now go down here. 4th speed. It's big back cat and so it have to move down the hill. You ain't gonna faster than this. No brake, see that? Foot on the floor, no brake. Nothing at all. See that? That shock man come out there. Yeah, this is no joke thing. This is a serious thing. See that? Try it any faster than this and I must make it. See them real, eh? I'll be able to get them a bouncing ball. White spot on the road of cement that a man dash of cement down and see there? Stain for life. Road turn white, see? Cement that. Another danger zone now. When the things that the hill done, it's not done yet. Just that. See there? engine blow. And for me, I saw the Shackman engine blow. Like it missed, make a wrong gear or something. The whole around the island. Couple days now. See? And the island, them dirt is keep it. You suck out the island for it. And cone it off. This is what it looks like. This is what we go through daily. So it's not a game. This is not a game. See? Danger zone this. The battlefield of French State. Have to wait on it and you wait till your turn. Just can relax. Depends on the time of the day and the night. If at night now, but I ship out through here and go down. Day now, you don't know you're going to come in and around about it. You wait on it. Then calm down the jakes a bit, turn it down. And let the machine do the work for itself. Want to see it for yourself, and this is the last escape lane. This is how Mr. Hansen Rostaro was last seen alive. I want you to see for yourself if you can see the driver seat in the book there. Mr. Hansen driver, Rostaro driver seat there. Danger roundabout, you see it? When I talk, see that? The danger roundabout this.